Hi everybody, welcome back. Now it's time to install RStudio. Now if you remember, we clicked on RStudio for Windows because I have a Windows machine and downloaded RStudio.exe RStudio-0.97.551.exe. Now that should currently be in your downloads folder, or it might still be on the bottom of your browser. So I want you to click on this rstudio.exe file. And we're going to hit next, and next, and this is going to put RStudio in your start menu. And now it is going to install RStudio. And now we just wait. Now, if you remember from the last video, we already installed R. Now, RStudio does not come with R. It's simply a way to use R. So if you want to use, you are absolutely welcome to use R without RStudio. RStudio is simply the way that I prefer to use R. So now we're going to finish the setup, and we're going to go find where RStudio installed. There it is. Alright. Welcome to RStudio. Now, RStudio is, again, just a way to use the language R. You have a workspace, which it holds all of your variables. In my workspace, I currently have a bunch of variables, a bunch of matrices, a set of data, some vectors, and some lists. In RStudio, you can pull up help files, and the help files will display in this bottom right-hand corner. You can look at the packages that you have currently loaded in your workspace. The ones that are loaded have a little check by them, and that's also in this bottom right-hand corner. You can look at plots that you've created. I haven't created any, so this is blank. And you can look at the files in your directory, in your current directory. Up here in the top left, you can create scripts or functions to do things in R. I've created some scripts up here. You can look at some of your variables. This is a data frame, and you can look at all the things inside a data frame. And in this bottom left-hand corner, this is the console. This is where you're going to run all of your code from. So you can write code into a script, and then it will actually move it from the script to the console to run. But this was just to give you an introduction to what RStudio, installing RStudio, and what RStudio looks like. Stay tuned for the next video where we go through the intro.